Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Susan Timchak here, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, coming to you from Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, and I'm here to do an unboxing. So any of you that get any type of shipments, and especially if you get them from Stampin' Up, you may all know what this little blue square on your box means. It means UPS second day air. And I just have to say, I don't normally, I could count on one hand how many times I have ever used the service. And if you didn't know that, Stampin' Up does have multiple ways of getting your shipping. You get your standard shipping, you can get first day air, or overnight priority, second day, blah, 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 blah. And this one I had to get right away. So let's go ahead and open this up. And not sure what that is. Beeping outside, some sort of construction vehicle. It is Saturday, and it is Saturday, May 4th. I've been a little lost to follow up, I know, but I'm catching up on my opening some of my mail and that. I was a little bit not feeling so well, and this is just for the shipping, and didn't need that. I think they're doing some work over there by the courthouse. So let's open this up. I only have one item in here, but one very special item. So here it is. Now, with this being May, Stampin' Up is offering something brand new that they've never offered before. It's called Product Medley, and this is the Everything is Rosey Product Medley Kit, and comes in this real nice box. Now, if you purchase this medley kit and you purchase it, well, it have to be right away. I want to say the early part of next week, unless you want to do like an overnight shipping or something like that. And you want to come to my free event. I'm offering a free event. Anyone that purchases this product medley on May 14th at 6:30 p.m. at my home here in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. And all you have to do is bring your kit with you, and I will have pre-planned projects for you. So one of the things that I do want to let you know is in this kit, well, I'm not going to call it a kit, in this product medley, we're not calling it a kit because you won't find projects already pre-planned like our kits are. You will find all the components you need to get started crafting right away. So being that, you come to my house and we will craft together. Now, I understand not everybody's able to come to my house, so that's perfectly fine. Now, this is a free class if you purchase this product medley. If you purchase the product medley throughout the month of May or until supplies last, because we're not guaranteeing these are going to be around all along, I will send the components of the what we create. What do I want to say? I'm a little lost for words. I will send you the components of the projects in the mail, along with a private YouTube video note link. Boy, I'm having a problem with words. And you can create them at home. So I want to make sure that, everyone is able to create with. Okay, so what comes in here? Stop your blabbering, because it's almost 4 minutes and you haven't shown anything. I know. I can hear you. I hear you. I know. I can't help it. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so this is the photopolymer stamp set. Everything is Rosey. And look at that. Look at those beautiful fonts on those different sayings. We have, may your birthday be filled with pretty things. Dear friend, time to celebrate all the lovely things in life, starting with you. And look at that beautiful congratulations. Graduations are coming up, and how beautiful that would be. Don't let worry spoil your happy. Oh, I love that. And a thank you. And look at the beautiful flowers. Now, no worries about cutting out these flowers because it comes along with the Everything is Rosey Thinlit dies. And let's take a look at those. Ooh, look at those. Oh, look at this border. I always want to be careful peeling these off. Stampin' Up has reassured us the new items that are going to be coming out with the new annual catalog, the sticky paper that these are on, aren't going to be as sticky. So that will be something forward to look to. Look at that edge. Oh, isn't that stunning? And that's what I love about our dies and our Thinlits, in that not only do they have images, say like this one, that will, let me figure this out now. It's kind of like putting a puzzle together sometimes. Not only will they cut out the image that you stamped perfectly, they also have extra components. Like, look at this one. Look at that beautiful, it's hard to see that way, but look at the beautiful intricate die cuts that that's going to make. And there's 2 different ones of those. And look at this one, is very interesting. Look at how this one is made. I'm going to assume it goes to this. Yes, it does. It cuts that out perfectly. So anything in this shaded color is going to cut them out. So you will get that in your bundle. All right, there we are. Put these back in. I like to get magnet sheets to keep my dies on. And a lot of people will be wondering, well, where do you get the magnet sheets? Go to your home improvement store. Go into the area where they have like the plumbing and heating. They have these magnet vent covers. They're pretty big because they cover a vent. And all you have to do, I think, I don't know, is there 3, 4 of them, really inexpensive. Just cut them to the size that you need to fit in your packaging, and use those to store your magnet sheet, your magnet pieces on, so they don't, you know, get lost. Another thing, here's another tip. They have in like Harbor Freight, the home improvement stores, they're like little round metal dishes, and they have a big magnet on it. Keep that on your desk, so when you're using your dies, put your magnet pieces in there. Then they won't get lost or stuck to the bottom of your stamp apparatus or things like that. So, yeah, there's a lot of fun things that if you look at hardware stores and home improvement stores, that they're thinking of us crafters while we're there. Okay, we have this cute bag, another piece of chipboard. That's free, so don't toss that away. You can use that for projects. Okay, let's open this up. All right, I'm going to open this up. I'm not going to be creating anything today, but you will want to go ahead over to my Stampin' Sue Creates Facebook page, and as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to be creating and posting some fun things there. Okay, so first off, we have these, and ooh, this is thick. These little mirror image little pieces, and I know that I do remember them telling us at On Stage there is a protective covering on them. So they're like little self-adhesive discs. Here we go. And see, look at that. It's, is it picking it up? There we go. It's like a mirror image. So make sure you peel off the protective covering. Let me put that one back in there. And then you can see they have that, see how that one I peeled off has that clear covering. And don't throw away the piece that's left behind, because that's something else you can create with. And I mean, this is thick. This is heavy. This isn't just a piece of, you know, just paper or something. This is very thick. Those are beautiful. Here inside here we have sheets of die cuts that you can pop out. Look at that, already stamped and ready to create with. So let's see, we have 1, 2 of those. And ooh, this is rose gold. Look at how beautiful they are. And these pop out as well, that you can stamp on very easily. And don't forget, you have this left over behind. I can see using that as a to sponge over. So a lot of components to this, where you, some people may, you know, think just toss those away, but nope. So we have 2 of those, and then here we have some other rose gold sheets. We have 2 of those die cut pieces to punch out. I'm sorry, where am I at? Ugh. There we are. Did I show these? I don't know if I was out of frame with these. Look how beautiful they are too. Oh, and then we have rose gold metallic sheets. Now I do know that there are 8 of them, and 8 of them comes out to be 2 12 by 12 sheets. So just like our regular packaging of our sheets of the foil papers, you get a whole package of those, and they're just white on the back, but look at how beautiful that rose gold is. Woo woo! And then we have some specialty designer series papers, and they have the embellishments of the rose gold on there as well. And let's see, you get 8 of each of them, so 8 of these. And of course they're double-sided. The other side has a beautiful plain side. But you know what? It has a texture to it. I can feel a texture that comes through because the front of these have a debossed image on. So there's 8 of those. Ooh, this reminds me of that Valentine's paper that was out a few years back. Beautiful with rose gold. And on the back we have dotted papers. So 8 of those. Ooh, this reminds me of back in the day, showing my age here, back in the day, like the wild wallpapers that used to be out. But look at that rose gold. Delicious, huh? And on the back here we have just an overall pattern. And here are 8 more of these. And look at this, coordinates with the stamp and that die cut with the rose gold. And on the back, beautiful stripes. And here we have some beautiful flowers that coordinate. And look at, they all have that specialty on them, that little touch of rose gold. And on the back, all over pattern. And the color combo in this is Night of Navy and Melon Mambo. So you'll want to go ahead and order them too. Speaking of Melon Mambo, look at that. Look at it, coordinates with my table covering. Look at that. And on the back, we have a navy and lighter color navy stripe. So it comes with that. It also comes with 2 spools of ribbon, one being the Melon Mambo, and the other one being, let me open this up here, being the Night of Navy with a touch of rose gold along the edges. It is stunning. I wish they had offered this in the annual catalog. I would definitely buy that. Look at that. Let me see if I can bring this spool up so you can get a better looky-loo. Look at that. It just has that glistening rose gold. So we have a ruche. This is like a ruche ribbon. It has that little bit of gathering and that. And then we have a bag of, well, it's a bag with a bottle inside. And this is the all-purpose ink rose gold. Ooh, let's take a look at that. And this is going to be fun to put in the spritzer with some alcohol inks. Oh, I just can't wait to create. You know, rose gold is all the thing now. I mean, years ago it used to be gold, and then it used to be silver, and then it was pewter, and then white gold. Well, now we have rose gold. It has a little ball inside that helps shake it up, mix it up. And when you open it up, ooh, look at that. Let me sniff. Has a little bit of a paint smell. Smells good to me. And this is going to be stunning to play with that. So that is the product medley. Now I know it's a little costly. It's $80. But when you see all the product that you get in this medley of products, and I'm going to throw in a free class for you. I mean, it's really worth it. Limited time only during the month of May. Be sure to go ahead to my online store at www.stampinsucreates.stampinup.net. Place your order before they're gone and come on to class. Or if you can't make it, I send the class to you. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing today, and I look forward to seeing you back here again real soon. Bye for now.